everybody, welcome to Dining Paintings with Cats and Dogs. Helen here. I have a Hobby Lobby haul that I got when me and Tolly went and spent the day together for my birthday. And I just would like to share it with you all. And they are the Spring Shop and Studio Delights, like I said, from Hobby Lobby. Here's this one. It was only $3.99, and I actually think they were 40% off that. Cute little doggy wearing glasses. It is a 15 by 15 centimeters. On the back is everything you need to do this one. And then the next one, just some cute little bows. This one was $5.99 with 40% off. It is an 18 by 25 centimeters, and everything here you need to do that one. And this one is Hello Spring. It is a 23 by 18, $5.99, and everything to do that one. I got these ones. I thought it'd be cute just to set them out during the spring, summer, put them all together, and I just love dogs, so that's why we got the doggy one. This one here is another one, $5.99, 40% off. An 18 by 23, really pretty boot. And everything you need to do that one. Excuse me. And then I got some glue. It's by Diamond Dots, dot stick, adhesive glue. For anything that's two-sided tape, you can take the two-sided tape off, put the glue on, or if it becomes not so sticky and stuff, you can use the glue. And last but not least, look at that, they're so adorable. This is by Studio Delights. The canvas size is 12 by 15 inches. The design is 11 by 14. It's round. On the back here, let me get you focused. Shows you all the colors, the pictures, the instructions, and what comes in the box here. And let's open her up. This was only $4.99 with 40% off. Right off the bat, the canvas is kind of, to me, like not soft at all. It's more, you can hear that plasticky. See if I can get it to lay a little flat here so we can see it. Here we go. So on the top there's nothing, on the sides there's nothing. Down here on the bottom is the legend, which goes this way, and it's 1 through 34, so 34 colors. Symbols are 1 through 9. Then we have some alphabet for the rest, and then down on the bottom we have a lower A and lower B. Okay, let's see, it's decently sticky. Let's see if we can see the symbols are pretty easy to read. And you get a basic pen with a 1-tip, 7-placer, wax, and a tray. Never used this. And then it comes with this little legend here on the side. Just a piece of cardboard. You can copy these if you have a sticker maker. Make your own stickers if you use them. If not, you can go by however way you like. I always go 1 through whatever the numbers are. And let's check out our drills. Okay. On the drills It has what the name of the drawing is, and there's no number, because this number here is usually what's on your drills, which means this matches with these, but this one just actually has the name of the drawing on it, which is nowhere on the canvas, which is odd. So I'm going to actually look. So 1 is black, 3, 10. 2 is 414, a gray. 3 is a lighter gray, 415. Let's see. 4 is like a tannish color, 434. A little lighter color, 436. 437. 632. 648. Trying to hold it up there. My hand's not working. 732. 781. 794. 799. And 800. And then we have 801. 803, 823, 844, sorry, 895, 904, 934, and we have, I just lost my spot, sorry. 938, 939, 972, and then we have 3041, 3072, 3325, and 3371. Excuse me. And then this one here, which is very little, is 3740, 3782. That's pretty solid. 3842, 3852, 3863, and 3865 and 3866. Pretty. Really pretty. So that is my, excuse me, Hobby Lobby haul for my birthday. And I really hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching. And thanks for coming back if you are a repeat visitor to our channel. Bye.